Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn fundamental quantities, international system of unit, importance of accurate measurement and major causes of error in measurement. So let's see fundamental quantities. It is enough to select few out of many quantities and standardize their units. Unit of quantities length and time need to be standardized. Such quantities are called fundamental quantities and their units are called standard units. Now let's see international system of units. An international system of units based on 7 fundamental units called the System International, that is SI system. It is currently used all over the world. It is also called metric system. The names and symbols of units of fundamental quantities, length, time and mass in this system are given. Let's see about the importance of accurate measurement. Accurate measurement must be depends upon its purpose. An appropriate device used for the measurement. Measurement of substances that are precious, of great importance and used in very small quantities is done meticulously and accurately due to advancement in technology. Devices that measure very small magnitude of quantities like distance, mass, time and temperature are available now. For example, distance and time in connection with very important sports competitions. Mass of gold, body temperature. Major causes of error in measurement. Errors causes in measurement is due to not using appropriate device and due to not using device properly. While buying things at grocery shop and vegetable market, for the following and tell your guardians too. First is, does the balance carry stamp of standardization by Department of Weights and Measures? Second, is the balance stable? Is the pointer of balance upright? Third one is the weight made of metal? How is balance held? Fourth one is, has the underside of pan of balance been tampered with? To prevent consumers from being cheated, a weights and measures subdivision function as a part of the food. Urban Supply and Consumer Protection Division of Government. Officer of this subdivision visit different places from time to time and ascertain whether the weights and balance being used are proper or not. It is binding by law to use standard weights and measures. It is also a function of weights and measure subdivision to grant licenses for the production, sales and repairs of weights and measures.